Hi guys, this is my submission for CS50 Project 0 Search. I've built a front-end interface that mimics Google Search, image search, and advanced search using HTML and CSS. All searches submit GET requests to Google Search endpoints, and the user interface is styled to resemble Google's own aesthetic. So here in front of me is a simple index HTML where you can see we have a Google search page, right? This is my main search page that I created, which is an index HTML, and it replicates the basic Google search layout. It includes a search bar, Google search button, and I'm feeling lucky buttons, and then we have links in the top right corner, which represents image search and advanced search. So right guys, let's perform a standard Google search, whereby I'm going to enter a query into the Google search link here, right? Okay, so let's type in cat and then press the Google search button, and as you can see, we are directed straight to a page that shows all information about cats, right? So our Google search button is working. Then next to the Google search button with the I'm feeling lucky button, and pressing it, it redirects directly to the first Google results using the btni parameter, which skips the search results page. Going back to our front page, if you look at the top right hand corner, we have the image search and the advanced search buttons, and here I'm going to navigate to the images.html file using the link image search. So now let's press the button image search, and as you can see now, we're directed to the images.html page, whereby if I perform a standard search like cats and press the image search link button, we're directed to all the images that resulted from that query. Going back to our index.html, again on the top right hand corner we have the advanced search button, whereby if we press that button again and let's click it, it takes us to advanced.html, right? A page designed to replicate Google's advanced search.html, right? So as you can see here, the advanced search form includes 4 fields: the find pages with all these words, and the exact word or phrase, any of these words, and none of these words. And each corresponds to Google's own query parameters. Now I'll perform an advanced search using all fields, and then the form action sends a GET request to https www.google.com search with the advanced parameters included in the URL. For example, let's say Harvard, then this the exact word or phrase, Harvard University, and then any of these words, we can say CS50 programming, none of these words, we can say maybe business, and then let's press our let's click the link that will lead us to the results. And as you can see, the results page reflects advanced search criteria that were entered. And going back to our index.html, we just simply go to the top right hand corner and click the link Google search, and then we are directed to our index.html. And here, as you can see, styling was done with custom CSS to mirror Google's clean interface. The search bar is centered and has rounded corners. Buttons are styled appropriately, and the advanced search button uses Google's signature blue and white design. And then all pages include consistent navigation links in the top right corner to allow ease of movement between search, image search, and advanced search. As you can see, all the buttons are working. If I press the image search, advanced search button, all the buttons are working nicely, right? So thank you guys, that concludes my demonstration.